For You page like a couple years ago. This is the reverse cat eye trend. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Yeah, I need that on my face, so we're gonna do it together right now. So I already did my base and everything because you guys don't really care about that. We're just focusing on the eye look in this series. First up, I'm going in with the Rare Beauty to warm up this crease. I don't know why, but my eye makeup is not pulling warm colors today. It's like turning gray, and I don't really know what that's about. That's just unfortunate, isn't it? I don't need to be too upset though, because this is not like the main focus of the eye. Moving on, whatever. I'm gonna go in very, very heavily with a crown liner. I'm assuming that's what I need to be doing, so we're gonna do it. You know, to make my life easier, I could watch tutorials on these like on TikTok before, but no. We're just balls to the wall. We just full send try it. Gosh, I'm hungry. Now I'm taking this kind of dense brush and kind of smudge it out. Yikes, don't like that. I've been rewatching the TV show Rain. It is spicy. It is spicy. I have seen it before, but there's like, I apparently don't remember like any of it because, no. I forgot to record what we're going in with the liquid liner and doing the inner corners. I have been doing makeup for a long time and the inner corners are still so hard to me. Like I can never get the shape like just perfect, you know? Now I have to do like a wing on the outside too, but I don't know the best way to go about this. I kind of feel like I'm killing it right now. Can I do the other side though? It's where it gets me. Oh, freaking duh, the waterline. I was like, why is it looking a little whack? Whoa! Don't really know what to do now. I'm cleaning this up a little bit and the line's like super harsh, but I'll fix it. Mascara, Lash Princess, because we are all princesses. I'm obviously putting lashes on, but the question is, how dramatic do we want to go? I'm feeling a little dramatic today. Imagine that. Imagine that. So we're gonna go in with these big ones, these big old bad boys. If your eye makeup is like looking just kind of meh, lashes always fix it. So really, it's kind of a win-win scenario, you know? I do my makeup every day, but sometimes when I'm doing it, I'm like, wow, I really don't know how to do makeup. It's humbling. Tequila. I'm gonna let those get tacky and then finish, you know, the rest of everything and then show you the final result. So BRB, love you, see you soon. 3, 2, 1, ta-da! Not to toot my own horn, but toot toot. I think I killed it. I think I killed it. This is so sultry. I have not pulled this off before. This is like the best I have ever done on it. I do feel like this looks so good and it's actually pretty close to the inspo pic, I do have to say. What do you guys think? Let me know. That is all. Okay, bye, love you. Mwah, mwah.